So welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab and open the console incognito window. Now here, click on this to activate the Cloud Shell, and here you have to simply click on Continue and then just authorize yourself. So just do it. Continue and authorize. Now in the description box, I've shared the GitHub repository. You have to come over here and select the content and simply paste over here. Now it's asking for group 1 region. So just come over here and just find the region. So here multiple regions are there. So you have to scroll down over here and just above congratulations you can see group 1 region. So just copy it from here and paste over here like this. Now second region. Paste it, and finally the third region. And hit enter. Now wait for some time. So this will take 5 to 10 minutes, even more. You need to wait for it, and once all things are done, simply come to the lab instruction and check the score. Do like the video and subscribe the channel guys, and have a great day ahead.